welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. And I have to welcome myself back as well, because I've been out for a while now. Big up on yourself, people. We're gonna speak about Cavaliers football team. I have to say, congratulations, Cavalier football team, on being crowned the Caribbean Cup, the the 2024 Concacaf Caribbean Cup champions after technically an aggregate, a 2-2 draw versus Cibao of the Dom. Technically, they lost the last game, but they won the first game. And they won on the away goal rule. I have some details here on my phone. I'm going to read to awards and those things. And some of these little nitty-gritty surrounding the competition. But let me just touch on the game a little bit. What a stressful game. What a stressful game to watch. My word. Nonetheless, 2 goals conceded in quick succession. Kyle Avery coming on, change the dynamics of the game. And I have to say, Dwayne Busy Atkinson, possibly one of the best players in Jamaica at this present moment. Hands down, one of the best players in Jamaica at this present moment. What are we going to... Well, can't play 90 minutes. That is something that Cavaliers or Rudolphsfield must work on. Get him up to scratch, up to the physical condition to be able to play 90 minutes consistently, time and time again. That's the only downfall of him right now, or with him right now. But nonetheless, let's read through some of the details. Cavalier FC are the champions of the 2024 Caribbean Cup after defeating Cerebral via the away goal rule in the final in the Dominican Republic this evening. This is the first time that a Jamaican club is winning the Caribbean Cup Championship since 2019. By virtue of winning this title, Cavalier gain a buy-in or buy to the round of 16 of the 2025 Concacaf Champions Cup. See? So by then win it, you see how important it was for Cavaliers to win this game or to win the championship. This tournament will kick off in February 2025. The draw for the 2025 Concacaf Champions Cup is slated for Tuesday, December the 10th. Anyways, awards according to the players. Fair Play Award that goes to Cavalier, least amount of cards accumulated, such and such. Youth Revelation Award goes to John Mara Calvin from Cavalier. And basically, I take everything. Best Goalkeeper Award goes to Vina Bartlett of Cavalier. Golden Boot Award goes to Shaquille Stein of Cavalier. And Best Player Award for the competition goes to Dwayne Busy Atkinson of Cavalier. So also points to note, Jamaican clubs who have gone on to win the Caribbean Cup Club Championship, now called Concacaf Caribbean Cup. 1 Harborview 2004 and 2007. 2 Portmore United, don't know anything already, 2005 and 2019. And now in 2024, Cavalier FC. And it is most definitely a really, really good look to Rudolph Speed on the Jamaica and the Cavalier team. It's a good look on the Jamaica Premier League. Now it's for them now to step up and go represent us quite well in the Champions Cup, the Concacaf Champions Cup. We're likely to face the likes of Messi of Inter Milan. Will we see Messi in Jamaica? Can you imagine Messi probably never even hear of Jamaica? Well, wouldn't likely. But just saying, if you come to Jamaica, don't think he have that on in calendar. So let's see how best Cavalier can perform in this competition and get that going. But at the end of the day, it is a great, great achievement for Cavalier Football Club. It's historic. First time in their history. Historical stuff. Also, the youngest team in the competition. The youngest team in the competition receiving all of these awards. That is big. Means that Rudolph's doing something right. Must be doing something right to be able to achieve these feats. It's quite a thing to look at. It's really, really a thing to look at. So congratulations again, Cavalier Football Club. Big up on yourself. Well done. And I'll see you guys back in the Jamaica Premier League. We're going to face up some of the other big teams them in the JPL, and let's see how this one proceeds. You see how important it was, very, very important for them to get the win at home. I know a funny thing, people, before we go into that. I got videos of the Cibao supporters them the night before the game, bus players, beat drum, at the players them, the Cavalier players them hotel. The players them weren't able to rest um properly. And it goes to show when players come at Jamaica to come play against Jamaican teams, them literally can't live life. But when Jamaican teams travel go abroad, it then make it as bad as possible. Cavaliers players, where they gone to train, them put them right beside one golf course. A golf no, sorry, baseball pitch. Where them over there training and something. Think of baseball. I mean, I get that wrong. Baseball. I think it's baseball. And ball a fly across left, right, and center then training. So they did everything in their power to disrupt the Cavalier team. Every single thing in their power to disrupt the Cavalier team. Saying that the club do it, just saying that the opponents, them, these are what you call home advantage. And these clubs know how to utilize home advantage. And I do believe that this is something that we Jamaicans would have to learn. When you look on the stadium, not much people in the stadium in comparison to when Cavalier played here in Jamaica. Not much support. Not much support at all. Um, Fine, we might say, boy, the club in general don't have a lot of supporters, but I don't think that's the problem. I think we just don't have a footballing culture. Over there, even in front of them supporters came out and support them ultra, tried to disrupt the Cavaliers camp, nightly rest, all them type of something to make it as difficult as possible. But yet still, when teams come here to play against Jamaica, they came here literally on holiday to how they're comfortable. We make them as comfortable as possible to beat us. That's what we do, people. But this is football. This is a sport. This is a game. Anyways, congratulations again, Cavalier. Big up yourself, Rudolph Speed, on achieving this historical, monumental uh, um, title added on to your name and also the club. We did ask him a question about how important it is in winning a title like this. And what does it do for his legacy? He said, no, really do nothing. Well, we must celebrate tonight. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. But big up on yourself, people. Big up yourself, Cavalier. Big up yourself, the Cavalier family. Massive, massive respect. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless.